Well, no one likes taxes, most of all those imposed on someone's death. Dubbed the death tax by opponents, the estate tax was gradually reduced during the Bush administration and dropped to zero this past New Year's Day. The catch is that unless Congress acts this year, those changes expire at year's end, which is why U.S. Senator Jim Inhofe visited a family farm to campaign for a permanent end to the estate tax. Dustin Milkey reports.
Kurt Roberts, like many farmers, wants to pass on the family farm. Roberts farms with his 2 adult sons just off Old Route 66 near Arcadia in Oklahoma County.
My 2 boys, they want to farm. They've always wanted to farm.
But Roberts is finding it difficult to plan the transfer of land to his sons due to a single unknown factor: estate taxes. U.S. Senator Jim Inhofe of Oklahoma traveled to Roberts' farm to discuss the problem agricultural producers have with the future of estate taxes. Inhofe says while the estate tax was phased out from the year 2000 through 2010, action needs to be taken or the tax will revert to its year 2000 amount.
So we started reducing it down so that by this year, 2010, there is no estate tax. Now, that's the good news. The bad news is if we don't do something before December 31st, then starting at the first of the year, 2011, it goes right back to where it was in the year 2000.
And that tax rate is a maximum of 55% for estates worth more than $1 million. While $1 million may sound like a large estate, Roberts says his 300-acre operation's value is above that exemption amount.
Our little operation here, we're about $1.5 million. When you take inflation and land value here, that's where we're sitting, so it's going to affect us.
Because a $1 million exemption would require his family to sell the farm to pay the estate taxes, Roberts is hoping reform comes quickly.
Well, it'd help us considerable because we wouldn't have to liquidate excess assess, and from there we could keep the land and a lot of our machinery and stuff, because pay this high taxes, we'd have to liquidate quite a bit.
Senator Inhofe has introduced estate tax legislation to provide relief for what he calls a moral issue.
It's one where people have already paid taxes on that money, and it's hitting them up again. It's the worst thing that could happen to farmers in Oklahoma.
Until then, Roberts says he will have to evaluate his estate planning one day at a time.
We're just planning day by day and year by year. We don't know how, what's going to happen.